Hello there, and then welcome to a brand new lesson. This is How Beyond Numbers, where we learn maths the easy way. In this lesson, we are looking at how to convert decimals to percentage. It will be a very short one, and you would understand that it is just a two-step process. So without much ado, let's quickly look into it. So as I said earlier on, here is the golden rule. If you have any decimal at all and then you want to convert it into percentage, quickly multiply it by 100, and then you do what? You add the percentage sign. You see, that is all. What do we mean by that? Let's take some examples and see how we can actually apply this basic rule. So for our first question, we have convert 0.4 to percentage. Convert 0.4 to percentage. So all we are saying is the 0.4. If you want to convert it into percentage, you see, so we should multiply it by what? 100. It becomes 0.4 times 100. Now, when it comes to decimal, if you want to multiply by 100, all you do is take note of the decimal point here. You know, for decimals, if we add trailing zeros, they don't change the value. So multiplying by 100 now would simply mean you should move your decimal point 2 times to the right. So we have 1, 2. Now you see what our decimal point is going to be. Yes. So that simply means we are going to get 4, and then there's one more 0 attached to it. So 0. It means 0.4 times 100 becomes 40. Then we just add our percentage sign. So I'll just add it over here. It simply means my 0.4 has become what? 40%. And that is all. You see, so you can do it this way as well. Now, seeing how simple it is, you can try and then solve this on your own. So you have 0.125 and you have to convert it into percentage. 0.125. Converting it into percentage simply means we should multiply it by what? 100. You see, and I said multiplying by 100 simply means you are going to move your decimal how many times? 2 times to the right. You see, so if our decimal point is here and we are moving 2 times to the right, this is once, this is twice. You see, and that is going to give us a 12.5. You see, so it simply means 0.125 in terms of percentage becomes what? 125%. You see, that will be our conversion in percentage. So basically, that is how we convert what? Decimals into percentage. Now, for all we've done so far, you realize that the whole number side of the decimal is actually 0. So what if you have decimals that are whole numbers? How do we convert them into percentage? So taking an example, we have convert 2.5 to percentage. Now, the fact that it has a whole number doesn't change anything. So the 2.5, converting it into percentage, we still apply the same rule, which says we should multiply it by 100. So multiplying 2 by 5 by 100, we know we can add trailing zeros here as much as you want, you see. So moving to the right, moving our decimal points to the right, how many times? 2 times. So from this point, we have 1 and then 2. You are going to get 2, 5, then with your 0, you see. So it simply means 2.5 in percentage becomes 250%, and that is all. Now, there are so many practical applications of this simple formula work we've done over here, which we will just solve one of them. So with this example here, it says a student scores 0.85 on an exam. What is their percentage score? So if a student is scoring 0.85, then to change it into percentage, it simply means we should multiply by what? 100. So times 100. So multiplying by 100, as we have said, we move the decimal point just twice. And that gives us what? 85%. That is all. So it simply means The percentage score of the student is 85%. And that is all. As usual, I'll leave you with some exercises so you try to test your understanding. So here we have them, just 5 questions. You have to convert to percentages. We'll end this lesson here and continue with another topic in a subsequent video. This is How Beyond Numbers, where we learn maths the easy way. If this is your first time and you think this channel will be of help to you, you can subscribe if you so do wish, so that anytime I release a video, you'll be notified as well. Stay blessed and bye for now.